Let's do this. It is time. Iuyama Mari. Iuyama Mari. With the little pieces. I don't know what this is, but all part so it doesn't slide. This one's pretty sick. Look at that. Got switch. I got a pre-delay, reverb time. What is this? Shh. Damping level. Got a couple options here. A hall, room, special, number 1 and 2, and then on and off for the filter. And then it has for your 9-volt here. LED on or off. I think that's the buttons. The buttons can light up. These little things here, they'll light up. So if you're playing in the dark, these little things will light up. So that's what this is for. And then on and off. Dry kill here, on and off. Out, in, and that's it. I don't think this is you can put a battery in here, but maybe you could. I'm not sure. But yeah. This is an unboxing of the Fender Marine Layer Reverb. There you go. That's what it comes with. And I'm excited to use it. I'll make a review. My next video, maybe using all my pedals. The overdrive, this, and the delay. So